As soon as I put this on, I knew that I needed to unbox my Uggs. Okay. I'm assuming this is like a little boot holder, but these are not boots. So cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. As I put this on, oh wow, these are huge. Okay. I certainly could have got a 9.5. I got a 10. So there's a little tiny gap in the heel area. And because the strap in the back, the little mule strap, is so taut, it makes up for if you oversize. So if you want to size up, don't worry about it. It won't be too weird. I haven't walked in though, so let's just test them out. They feel comfortable. And I love that it gives height. It's fun. Very, very cute. 10 out of 10 for these babes. They're adorable. And this outfit is perfectly complete with these shoes. And you're comfortable too.